the features I get, which is super insane. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It actually works, guys.
Hey guys, so today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the game Tennis Clash for iOS and Android. So this will make you rich. So as you can see, I'm pretty poor right now, but when I press this button, I can actually add unlimited gems to my Tennis Clash account. So I'm just going to max it up. So let's see if the gems start increasing. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download this Tennis Clash mod for your device so you can get unlimited gems. So let's see if it goes up. And then we're gonna get into the video. So as you can see, there we go, guys, the gems are increasing. So if you guys play Tennis Clash, keep watching the video. I'm gonna show you how to download the Tennis Clash mod. So go over to the website matrixmods.com, find Tennis Clash, press on it, press download, and before the mod downloads, there's going to be a verification. So we just need to download 2 apps and follow the instructions, which is 100% free from official app store, and then the Tennis Clash mod will be installed. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So as you can see, it says almost there. Additional files are required for Tennis Clash. So basically, you want to download 2 of these apps, which are completely free, and you want to do what it says. So like Travel Town says download and reach level 9. So I'm just going to go to the app store and play it until I'm like level 9. So it's just like a game. So that's pretty simple. So obviously everyone's going to have their own apps, different instructions, but you just want to make sure you do 2 of them, guys. And you're going to be good to go. So I would just play this until I'm like level 9, then go back to the list and do some more. So whether that's Facts from iPhone, which says install the app and open it, or Mode Casino, which says install the app and open it. But yeah, that's how to get Tennis Clash hacked for your device. So I'm going to go to the App Store and just type in Tennis Clash. So let me just put it in. You do not need the game installed because this is a separate modded version. But as you can see, it is super expensive. So if you guys want to pay for it, that's up to you. But chances are, if you're watching this video, you're not really involved with the whole payment thing. And I don't blame you because, in my opinion, while Tennis Clash is a fun game, I don't think it really warrants paying for gems. So this is pretty dumb that they make you pay, but you know, this game probably wouldn't exist if people didn't buy stuff on it. So be sure to try this out for yourself, guys. It's 2026 edition, fully working. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to get unlimited money on Tennis Clash, because a lot of people do not know how to do this, and they're the ones that are going to learn today about the Tennis Clash mod. So that's what I want y'all to know about, the Tennis Clash hack for 2026, by the way. So be sure to try it out, guys, if you're depressed about Tennis Clash. If you have no money in Tennis Clash, well, now you can install the Tennis Clash mod and get unlimited money. So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more Tennis Clash videos, because I got no problem making them. But yeah, this is super awesome. So as you can see, we got the anti-ban right there. But yeah, this is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. There's no jailbreak and no computer either. So yeah, guys, this is super awesome. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you later. But yeah, subscribe, guys. We need to get the whole crew involved here to get the Tennis Clash scene up and running with the mod.